Hey all, Will Healy here, and happy Workforce Wednesday. I've talked to a lot of people in a lot of different industries, and managers, high-level people, frontline, supervisors, and it seems like we're all struggling right now to just fighting fires and feeling overwhelmed and really just challenged by all the different things going on in life right now. And it seems like a lot of people's stress level is very high. If you're a group manager, if you're a group manager, and you're feeling like you have to be in the fires, in the weeds every day to get the shipments out the door, to get production running, something's not right in your company. And I've been just regularly over and over recommending this book by my friend Ray Attiyah called Run, Improve, Grow. And the idea behind this is really just thinking, how do I enable my frontline workers? How do I trust my frontline workers to run my business? If you've done this right, it should seem like you don't do anything in the day-to-day business, because you shouldn't be. Right? If the frontline workers are running the business, you're trusting them to run the business, and you're trusting the frontline supervisors to improve the business, then you have the opportunity to focus on the things that are going to help your company grow. So as you're going into 2023, I really recommend that you check out Run, Improve, Grow. I'm going to post a couple of videos that Ray's put online, or you can get his book. I'll make sure that we get a link. But we're struggling right now to retain people. We're struggling to hire people, and we're struggling as managers and as people leading organizations with just all the things going on. And I think if we can focus on letting the frontline workers do their job to run our companies, then we can focus on improving the processes, improving the company, and growing the company in 23 and beyond. So, let me know in the comments what you think. What are you struggling with when leading people? And until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?